Yeah, we'll just hang out here and go home.
Well, I got off the water taxi off the Carnival Dream. I'm now in Belize. I thought I'd just take my camera along and just kind of show you what the port is in case you want to get off and do some shopping or something. So hey, let's get started and just see what's here at the port. I bet that Belize sign right there's the most photographed thing at the port. Like everybody's taking pictures of the Belize. There's some little, like they got a nice bar there with some swings outside. If you're hot, you can stop off and get you a drink. There's the Wet Lizard Bar.
Let the world to know that I am yours forever.
Well, if you can see, that's the Carnival Dream there in the background. If you can see it way back there, that kind of concludes our little tour of the port here in Belize. I will have to say it's small, but there's lots of shopping here. It's very clean and it appears to be very safe. So hey, if you're in Belize, stop off, get off the ship, check it out. It's worth your time to, maybe you'll find a souvenir. Hey, if this video interests you, stay tuned for other Carnival Dream videos. Hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.